this video, we're going to take a look at an addition rule for the table below. So you could see the table has two columns. There's the in column and the out column. So in the in column, it's showing 0 for the first one. And then in the out column, it says 14. So what happens to these two columns to be able to get 14? So for this one, you would have to add 14. Then if we look at the next row, in the in column, there's 1. And then in the out column, there's 15. So to get 15, when you're starting with 1, you have to add 14 again. And then for this one, there's 6 in the in column and then 20 in the out column. And to be able to get 20, you would have to add 14 to 6. So the addition rule used for the table below is add 14 to the in column. And that's the rule. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Just rewind the video, watch it again.